Hello students, today I will start chapter number 15 from your reasoning book. Let's see exercise number 15.1. Each of the following statements is followed by two conclusions. In each and every questions from this exercise, there are two statements and also two conclusions are given in each and every question. So from the conclusion and from the statement, you have to pick the right options from these options, like option number A, if conclusion first follows; option B, if conclusion second follows; option C, if either conclusion first or second follows; D is if neither conclusion first nor second follows; and E part is if both conclusions first and second follows. Let's see the question number 1. Statements. There are two statements. Some pens are bricks and all bricks are bags. And from the given statements, the conclusions are: the first conclusion is all pen are bags, and second is all bricks are pens. So students, from this given statements, you have to find out which conclusion is right. Either both are right or only one is right. Let's see the solution of this question. From this question, we have to make some pens are brick. That means some pens, and this is the figure of the bricks, and all bricks are bags. This is the second statement. So bricks circle, it will be inside the bag circle. That means all bricks are bag, and some pens are bricks from the statement number 1. So we have to make this figure. So from clearly we can see from the above figure, neither conclusion first nor second follows. So which option will be right? Option number D. Let's see the next question. Statements are: some cars are balls, all bats are balls. The conclusions are: all car are bats and all bats are cars. Let's see the solution of this given question. Some cars are balls and all balls are bats. This will be the figure for this question. So clearly we can observe from the figure, neither conclusion first nor second follows. That means option number D will be right for this question. Let's see the question number 3. The statements are: some whites are black and no black is green. Conclusions are: some whites are green and whites are not green. Let's see the solution of this given question. Some whites are black, and you can see the green figure is not touching any of these figure, that means whites and black. So clearly we can observe from this given figure, either conclusion first or second follows. So which option will be right? Option number C. Let's see the question number 4. The statements are: some phones are clocks and all clocks are mobiles. The conclusions are: all mobiles are clocks and some mobiles are phone. Let's see the solution of this given question. Some phone or clocks, so we have to make these figures, and all clocks are mobile, so we have to make this figure. So from this given figure, we can observe that only conclusion second follows in this question. That means option number B will be right. Let's see the question number 5. All blacks are brown and some browns are blue. Let's see the conclusion of this given question. Some browns are black and some blues are not brown. Let's see the solution of this given question. So you can see some brown are blue and all blacks are brown. This will be the given figure. So we can see clearly from the above figure, both conclusion first and second follows. That means which option will be right? Option number E. Now students, let's see the exercise number 15.2. In this exercise, there are 3 statements in each and every questions and 4 conclusions. The question number 1 is, all the locks are keys. All the keys are bats. Some watches are bats. Conclusions are, the first one is, some bats are locks. Second one is, some watches are keys. Third is, all the keys are locks. And fourth one is, no key is locked. Let's see the solution of this question. You can see all locks are keys, all keys are bats, some watches are bat. So from this given statements, we have to make this figure, and clearly we can see from the above figure conclusion only second follows. So which option will be right? Option number B. Let's see the question number 2. The statements of question number 2 are, some keys are staplers, some staplers are stickers, all the stickers are pens. The conclusions are, some pens are staplers, some stickers are keys, no sticker is key, and some staplers are keys. Let's see the solution of this given question. You can see some keys are staplers, some staplers are stickers, and all stickers are pens. So from the given statement, we have to make firstly this figure, and clearly we can observe from the above figure that only conclusion fourth will be follows. That means which option will be right? Option number D. Let's see the question number 3. The given statement of question number 3 is, some questions are answers, some answers are writers, and all writers are poets. Let's see the solution of the given question. Some questions are answer, some answers are writers, and all writers are poets. So from the question number 3, we have to make firstly this figure, and clearly from the above figure conclusion only second will be follows. That means which option will be right? Option number B. Let's see the question number 4. The statements of question number 4 are, some envelopes are gums, some gums are seals, some seals are adhesives. Let's see the solution of this given question. From the given statement, this will be the figure, and clearly we can observe from this given figure only conclusion first will be follows. So which option will be right? Option number A. I hope students now you are able to complete all the sums of exercise number 15.1 and exercise number 15.2, and student please try to complete the remaining questions of exercise number 15.1 from the explanation of question number 1 to question number 5. Thank you.